Oh, we definitely can get stocks though with all 503 without running a ticker.
Mm.
You're gonna probably get a bunch of SCID files coming on your computer, so you're gonna want to like they go into the data folder. You're gonna want to dump those every now and then.
Okay.
The SCID files is the data loaded for ES. Whatever you're pulling up, it goes into the data folder, so it's downloading the history. So what you're gonna end up doing is shortening how much the stocks can download.
Okay.
And then you're gonna want to just file dump them every now and then. And it's easy to do. You just press SCID and data, and you just pick everything, even
Yeah,
ES, and
I
get
had to do
rid
that
of
a
it.
few weeks ago, and it cleared up like 30 gigabytes.
Yeah, exactly. But it'll work, and you're not gonna need to type any of the tickers. It should automatically be coming into the thing. And it's relatively accurate, but there's still some weird shit because I'm trying to get it to match just as though it was a chart. So there's a way. There's always a way.
All right, I think everything's running properly now.
But I'm thinking like maybe like a heat map chart, just like the stock one, but it has Vanguard and ES and MES all in it as well.
Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad idea.
$51. 50 on United. Procter and Gamble shitting its 48. 48. And then Coca-Cola. All right, good to go. Oh, we have tanked actually. We only went up to 20 at best. Interesting. Was that news? 8:12. No, that's a random time. 8:11. Very random. Let's see. Gotta go to the Addy lady tonight or today at 11:20.
Get your fix.
I'm gonna do a dose increase.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Oh, time.
Any gaps?
Mm.
A lot of downtrends on mine today.
Nvidia's in a range. It's a pretty big range. You can really zoom out on that. Apple's gapped out. Microsoft gap. Google gap. Amazon gap. AVGO. Could be pulling into a range. Tesla gap. Meta pulling back into a prior range, but we'll see how that goes. Walmart. Was on a shallow uptrend back in. Berkshire Hathaway could be in a range. Give it that. It's pretty stretched. Lilly. I don't know. A neutral there. Gap and you. JP Morgan. Gap out. AMD. Gap out. INTC. Gap out. Visa. Looks like it's on a downtrend. I'll give it a downtrend for now. Visa downtrend. Oh wait, INTC gapped, but it was on a downtrend. Range ExxonMobil. Oracle pulling back in from a gap. Downtrend Johnson & Johnson. Possible range Costco. I'll give it pretty zoomed out. MasterCard. That's a tough one. I'll leave that. Neutral downtrend cat. Cisco puking downtrend. Netflix has been in a long-term range. LRCX, that's a gap. I won't mess with that one. Bank of America. I don't know about that. CVX. Gap. ABVV. Neutral. AMAT gap out. It's coming back in. United Healthcare. Pulling back in. Gap out. Procter & Gamble. Coca-Cola has been in a multi-day downtrend for whatever reason. Let's see. 20% on the downside heat map for me. Loose. Wait a second. Do I have delay? I unfortunately do.
Yeah, it is June 1st.
Shit. Give me a minute. I need because I need to log in.
Yeah.
I need to log in CQG account. Hold up. File. I should fix it. See if that gets me. We're trading 90.75s,
Yeah.
91s. All right. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what the glow was then. I don't.
We're trading red above red right now, at least according to mine. And mine should be up to date.
Fuck, sometimes I lose my mouse cursor. Where the fuck is it? There it is. All right. Had a data issue. We're good now. No delay. 79%. Can you screenshot your heat map?
Yeah. Sent it.
All right. Let's see. We are. Well, that's interesting. I could see it ranging overall because we're kind of doing that V shape or whatever.
Yeah.
Are you flipping red on open interest? Or no?
Not quite. No, not yet. Still got a 491 lot down there. I think he might
I'm
hold.
red here. Oh, okay. Where's he at?
He's at 88 even.
I got red 106.91. Oh, he's coming out. You said 88 even?
Yeah.
Okay.
I missed that long, unfortunately, but it was a good one. They came down and tested him to the T, basically.
We're still relatively red. It's neutral. It's like kind of a neutral red. 4%. Might be a short off 93, 25, 50s. That's nope. Not at this moment. Just because it's slipping so much. And the heat map's mostly on the sell side. But it's somewhat neutral. Let's see what they do if they. It's a check for me. There it goes. Still not by much. I'm flipping blue up here.
Yeah, I tried to grab long at 92, missed it.
It went 21 sell side down there. Still pretty short bias. PMI. Okay. Some buying coming in. Stocks. We all stock check. Neutral Berkby. Gap out ExxonMobil. I guess I didn't catch that. Coca-Cola shifting. Nvidia coming out. Mostly neutral except for Costco, Netflix. Oh, this shit is weird for me. I don't really know.
Yeah, it's getting buggy.
There's this animator called Meat Canyon. He's got
Yeah.
a good thing on Costco where the dad sells his son into Costco slavery for like a hot dog or a membership.
That's funny. Yeah, I think I know who you're talking about. I grabbed a long off 92.50, took it on 94.75. 9 tick win. I took a loss on the way down though, so that puts me just back above break even.
You're fighting this area too much. I'd lay off on it for a moment.
Yeah, I want to see something else develop because the only thick area we still have is kind of down by 88. So I'd like to see a pullback down there, ideally.
They're stacking blocks now, which I like to see. But we did go up overall on selling. What do I want to do here? They're slipping. You need real slip advantage.
Mm-hmm.
Aha, yes. Thought about nailing 92.
Yeah, I thought about it too, but I didn't like that trapped buyer at 94.
Oh, I see him. It's like 256. Well, now, so what would you do in this situation when they're getting trapped like this?
For me personally, it's a hands off. Like I won't take a long below him. But I also don't really want to short either because there's still a really good established uptrend below us. But that could change. Like if they start putting in a big sell defense and that buyer is still trapped and it's thin below us, then there could be a short. But for right now, the only indication is just hands off on long.
This uptrend went up on selling stocks, though.
Yeah.
That's just fucked. Usually they retrace that.
He's starting to go flat. He took some orders off. But now sellers are starting to defend. So he's trapped still.
Oh, you're talking about that 102 at 93?
Yeah. No, 94, 148 now.
Yeah, I know, but there was 100 sell that came in
Yeah.
on 93.
Yeah.
Okay.
They were trying to defend. Could be bailing him out. He might be wanting to go flat at a better average.
Yeah, for me, it's still like it's a long signal overall, but I don't like what's below us.
Yeah. Trapped buyer at 95.50.
216 or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't have enough information to make a decision.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh. Oh, that's fucking aggressive.
Trapped seller at 90.
And there's some weird shit going on right here. There it goes. A little bit.
A bit of buyer defense where that seller was. There could have potentially been a long off 90.5.
Blocking low. Pretty short bias because of how the morning uptrend established itself, but man, that slipping is fucking freaking me the fuck out a little bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just it's like going slow and then it zips up.
Yeah.
But I don't trust the upside either. They're just blocking low hardcore, but now it looks like range expansion. Like to me, it looked like a breakout, and then we got these higher lows setting up here. They're poking at it. Took a 2-tick loss. I was short on 90 on the original break. I don't know. It looks like it could be range expansion. It looks like it could be doing whatever. It's just like the context of it has changed so much.
Yeah. There's that 88 buyer,
Now
but
it works.
he's so old. He's been there for damn near 20 minutes now, so
Now it's working. Let's see what kind of pullback this thing throws in. Come on, I know you got it, didn't you? So the thesis was right. They are going down on a green block roll, so that's telling me it could shove up too.
had a long off 88.25, took it off for a point. It could redefend this 90 level. Yeah, there it is. That's why I wasn't going to hold that long anymore. In fact, I think there was a really good short at 89, or at, sorry, 90.
Yeah, me too, but I don't like how they're rolling this down on buying. I think they could get pushed a little bit further, but then it'll rip right the fuck back up at 9. The news is at 9.
Yeah. So 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
See there, it could jam low and finish some of this uptrend on that selling and then quickly reverse the other way.
Mm-hmm.
Back up into 96s. They're rolling these green blocks low, so that is typically a short signal, but man, if it comes in again, and we saw how it was rugging itself upward on this down move, it has the potential to push this. Oh, I guess it dumped and came back up. A little flash crash, at least on Jigsaw.
Update some charts here.
Yeah, it's wicking hard, but it's almost like it didn't move. So now you have open interest is flipped. God, I wish I rode that 90 out. Oh well. We're about to have a little bit of a news here. Let's see how that handles itself.
Oh man, it's getting spready.
How many seconds do we have?
20 seconds.
20?
Yeah. 15. 10. 3, 2, 1. Fucking 5-tick spread. Jesus Christ.
Mm-hmm. That's what I thought.
A lot of trapped sellers down there. They're starting to go flat, so it could flip here to a bid auction.
Needs to get above those 90s for it to happen, I think. Big ol' swinging fucking pullback I see there. Come on, you stubborn fuck. You stubborn little cunt. Ooh, another big ol' swinging fucking pullback. Feisty little fucker.
Sellers are really pouring in down here. It's kind of a coin flip because they could be playing a dangerous game. They could get squeezed.
Oh, they're jamming back at this reclaim down here. Slipping it back. They're chop walking it.
Tried to get 85.50 short there, but I missed it. I'm not going to reattempt because now it's really thick on the bottom side.
Yeah, we're starting to flip in the sell territory here. Man, that slipping is fucking gnarly as fuck.
Yeah, what's freaking me out is there's a lot of selling here, but they're not really making any lows. I think there could be
Yeah.
a squeeze setting up here. But that's just not really my style. That's not really in my playbook.
See how this block handles itself. I picked up a tick. I was long on 85.50 for a while. It did go really far in my favor and then come back in.
Yeah, it would have been impossible to get an exit off those wicks.
Oh, now it goes just like the fucking short. That's all right. I'm only down about a tick, a little manageable. It's just this context is shifting pretty drastically.
Yeah, I haven't taken a trade in 10 minutes. I just don't have any clarity here.
That's a lot of sellers. Ah, it's so mixed now. The signal's mixing again. We're 1-0. What we need to do a check. You're getting ranges on the Googles. Apple. Microsoft, that's all big. Cisco. Yeah. All right. Fuck, now it's flipping, but it's like a neutral flip. Now we're going fucking buy side again. Ooh, 245 pushes it up on the bid.
Yep.
I went 86.25, 87.75 long. The
Nice.
money.
Yeah, I saw that too.
I think there could be a nice run up, but man, I'm just like kind of like, well, I'm gonna scalp because this shit is a little tight. Trying to press on this is proven to be somewhat difficult. There she goes. She's above where I would have wanted. That's the run.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for too, man, because they were just
Man.
pouring in on the offer, and it was not trading any lower.
The thesis is correct. It's just the drama.
Yeah.
But here's what I don't like is because we went up on mostly sell side. Because we came from 76s or something, and they didn't retrace all of it on the way down. And I don't know if they're gonna retrace all this green on the way up.
Yeah.
Like I don't know if we're just gonna like mid compress or what the fuck the deal is. That was my long right there that I originally wanted on trade 2. See, this rug pulled on this does make sense. I would still be super long bias. I'm not sure,
Yeah.
like, where's the bottom of this like structure though? Are they gonna hit that reclaim down below us? They could. It seems like they're compacting all reclaims, so that's a nice fucking massive little fucking drop right on mid. Try to get it along in the 87s. Just not get it. Couldn't get in. So they're compacting and backfilling a lot of reclaims. And then they come back in. This is why I didn't chase it by much. We're still like buying high here. There's still reclaim to the left. There's fresh reclaim above us. Thought about 87.25. I don't know what's going to happen, though. Like I said, I don't think they'll take all the green on the upper side back to 96s, just like they didn't do it on the red side. So does that mean we're going to continue to run a slip here in the midsection? Maybe. Oh, yes.
Certainly looks like they want to.
They just did. So this tight ass range here, let's see. We're still in buy territory, long territory. Still super long territory for now. So does this mean they're going to start pushing out the edges at some point? But then you got all these sellers here. So, you know, what the fuck?
Yeah, kind of coin toss area.
These green blocks are rolling low. That is a temporary short signal. Now she's jumping up.
There's a 287 seller on 90. It looks like they're struggling to get through him.
Six on the buy side. Man, they're just on the backside of these fucking sellers, you know?
Mm-hmm.
The long signal is there, but it just let go. That's a fucking gnarly little fucking up shove. Oh, I took a big
Ooh.
loss. Took 3,300 up the ass.
All right, let's hope we can get out of that range. That range was nasty.
Mm-hmm. I took such a terrible fucking entry, and I got fucking whacked dearly on it. God damn it.
Let's fucking get some distance. I do not want to go back into that range. Looks like that's exactly what it's doing, unfortunately. There's a decent buyer defense here, relatively thin above. Could be good for a few ticks. Had a long there, took it off for 3-tick win.
Oh, you goddamn motherfuckers. I got fucking whacked again really hard. Worse this time. Fucking another 3 grand. I'm down 6. That second, both of those losses were just terrible fucking goes. I hate getting in a shit like this. Just poor trading on my behalf. Fucking killer ranges. They ran the fucking edge. I don't know if they're going to run the low edge now.
God damn, dude. Look how fucking tight this little range is here.
Of course, they jump it upward into that fucking reclaim.
Tight as a motherfucker up there. I think there maybe could have been a short off 90 right there, but man, it would be tough to hold that. These tight little ranges have been blowing out.
Man, we got this up channel, but it's tight as shit.
big old buyer there. He could get trapped though because he has reclaim below him. It's super thin below. And when it gets super tight like this, it blows out in one direction.
Yep.
Looks like acceptance above. More buying on that level.
Yep. I got blown out again. That's another fucking 3 to 4 grand. I think I'm down close to 10 at this point. 2,500 up to I'm down to 8,000. But fucking, I just got the top tick on 3 consecutive fucking trades. Fucking hate these fucking ranges like this. I always get clapped on something like that.
Yeah. It just gets so fucking tight and then it just blows out in one direction.
They were dumb fucking goes. All 3 of them were stupid. On my behalf. Just speculatory bullshit.
That buyer at 92 is trapped.
Then it comes back the fuck down. Jesus Christ. Right into this fucking range. Fuck, man. I was trying to get this fucking trades to come back. Every time it looked like I could potentially pull it off for a lesser loss, it just psyched me out with some sort of fucking just embedding on one edge.
Big seller at 88 right there. 1,100 lots. You see that?
Yeah. God damn it. Now it comes back to where I was. Fucking hell, dude. Oh. It's just one of those sessions that just has destroyed me.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in drawdown too.
Just fucking retarded fucking. Wait for the fucking reclaims. mean, there's so much fucking buying up here. It's ridiculous on the stocks.
That 88 seller could be underwater here. What I've noticed is happening today is every time there's a big order that hits the tape, they go underwater, like almost like clockwork. I've got a
Yeah.
long thesis here that 88 seller, the biggest seller we've seen all day, is about to get trapped and squeeze.
You have so much buying in this specific area. Also, there's that big down reclaim that happened pre-market. Oh, the floor just fell out.
Another big seller came in at 86. Super trappy price action today. It's a different kind of environment than we've been trading in the last few weeks.
Yeah. Stocks.
A lot of selling came in there and they couldn't make a new low. Last time that happened, they got squeezed. But I mean, who fucking knows? It could be a change in character here.
There's a lot of ranges in the stocks.
Yeah, and there's the new low. So I took a loss on that one, and it's top of the hour, so I think that's my day.
All right.
I'm going to go into review. I think, unfortunately, the conclusion I'm going to come into in review is that I just should not have traded today because I don't think setups were working.
I should never want for the breakout of ranges. Actually, I should never want against stuff that I shouldn't be trading against, like shorting this green shit when it wasn't totally mature. Longing when I needed to wait for a pullback.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of in the same boat.
Just fucking impatience got me, I guess.
So I'm going to jump into review, man.
All right.
I'll catch you later.
See ya.